Hi, welcome to eBayTemplatesShop.com. When you buy template, it comes in zip format, which you have to unzip and you will see two folders. In manual folder you will find instruction manual in PDF file where you will find the step-by-step guideline to configure HTML listing template. And in the second folder you will find HTML file and image folder. You will see the type of the folder HTML document. To edit the file, right-click on HTML file and open with TextPad. If you have Notepad or any text editor then you can open in that also. If you don't have TextPad software on your computer then you can download from textpad.com website. Now we're going to edit the HTML template file for configuration. When you open HTML file, the top section of template is CSS code which not allowed to edit because it will disturb the layout of template. In template we have provided comment tags, with start and end comment, which shows where to edit the details. For example, store name. You have to enter the details in between comment tags. Now we save the HTML template file and open the template file in browser for preview. Now you can see the title in template. Now I will show you how to add links in top menu bar. Here the top menu bar code provided in template. You will find all links from your eBay. Go to your eBay feedback page where you will find link for top menu. On the feedback page on right hand side you will see the link provided. Like eBay store, contact us and about us link. Right click on link and select copy link address option. And then go to template code and select hash sign with name provided and paste the link. Now we copy and paste rest of links same way from your eBay feedback page. For newsletters link. Newsletters link is not provided on feedback page, so you have go to your any eBay listing which already exist. And you will find the newsletters link in header frame. If the header frame is disabled, then you can enable from Manage My Store page in account. Right click on Sign up for newsletters link and select copy address. And paste into template code. And save the template. Now we add product title. You can use same title which you going to use on eBay listing. Now refresh the template to check all top menu links and title we change is working correctly. If any link is not working then check if again on feedback page and replace the link. Now we will see how to add categories on template from eBay store. In HTML template, the code is provided here. We will change category links same like we did on top menu links. To add categories, go to your eBay store. Right-click on category link, and select copy link address. Go back to template code, and paste inside list tag where it says hacks sign categories link here. Then go back on eBay store page, and copy the category name where you copy the link, and paste into template code. Repeat the same process for other categories. Once you complete all categories, remove the categories tags which not in use. In future if you want to add any more categories, then just copy the last category tag and paste below, and change that duplicate tag for new category. Now we save the template, and go to browser, and check the template is updated correctly. Now we will add link for newsletters box which is located below category box. And visit our eBay store image. We already have link for newsletters and eBay store which we will use again. Now we will the store name for template footer. And copyright text. We will use same name which we have used in header. Now we save the template and refresh the browser to see everything updated correctly. For description, payment policy, return policy and shipping policy details. Go to template code and you will find here. Follow the comment tags provided in template which shows details contents for each box. You have to change only inside the comment box without deleting any HTML code. Now we going to add product images in gallery. Product image gallery code is provided here in template. If you using your own image hosting then you can copy and paste image link here in image tag. If don't have image hosting then easy way to upload the image and get link from eBay itself. When you create listing on eBay, go ahead and upload the image first on eBay listing then copy and paste the image links into the template. Once the all product images are uploaded, click on First Image, and click to enlarge. Right-click on image and select Copy Image Address. Paste the link into image tag, where src attribute in between double quote. Repeat same process for rest of images. Once you complete all image, remove any unused image tags which we are not using. Now save the template, and go to browser to check the update. Refresh the template to see update. You can see all images showing gallery. If any image not showing, then go back to eBay listing and copy the image link again. Now your HTML template is ready for use on eBay listing. Go to Template File. Select all HTML code and copy. Go to your eBay listing where we have uploaded the product image. In HTML tab, right-click, and paste the template code. Click on Standard tab to see the template preview. Make sure all link in template are HTTPS link. Thanks for watching.